Today we're going to take a look at a 60 kW boiler, and at the present it's running on a screened mill chip, various species of wood. The chips cost approximately $6 a yard, which boils down into about $30 a ton. It's a good clean fuel at a reasonable price. The fuel comes through from a hopper about 50 cubic yards on the other side of this wall, comes up through this auger, goes into a rotary feeder, drops down through the rotary feeder, which is an airlock between the actual burner and the fuel supply, goes through the lower auger into the burner. That's your primary air fan right there. And this particular machine is running at 3.6 seconds forward every 20 seconds with a 1.5 second reverse time to free up the auger so it's not starting against the load next time. You can see here that the exhaust temp is about 175 C, and you have about 15 pounds of pressure in the boiler. The water temp is approximately 85 to 90 C, which is about 200 degrees. You have a manual reset overheat aquastat and a regular control aquastat. On this side, we have the ash auger that comes out. It runs according to how many chips you're burning. Goes into a hopper here, which is approximately 2.5 feet by 2.5 feet. And there's only about 6 inches of ash in the bottom of this hopper, and that is burned about 100 cubic yards of chips this year. And over here we have an accumulator tank. The boiler is filling the accumulator tank, which supplies this building that we're in with domestic hot water and baseboard hot water and radiant floors. Over here we have a backup oil burner, and here we have the alarm system set up by Jay for Alex. This is not part of the installation of the boiler. You can see the temperatures of the accumulator tank, and it can show everything that's happening. It shows that the oil burner is running and what circulating pump's running at this particular time. And over here we have the control. There's a VFD for each motor, so there's no shock load starting and stopping of the motors. And up here we have the control, which is basically a simple microprocessor. And if you want to change a function, you just push Alt, scroll down to the function you want to change, press OK, change your function, press OK again, escape, and it's done. It only takes about 30 seconds to change the function. And this is the whole control in its entirety. And we have a burn here. This is a good, consistent, solid burn. This burn will have absolutely no smoke. This fire can be ramped up for peak or more demand, and it can be ramped down for a lower demand. And this boiler can also be run on 33% if in the summertime without any loss of productivity